Hey guys, want to make a PayPal account without using your real phone number? Here's a quick hack. Step 1. Open Chrome and search paypal.com. Step 2. Tap the sign up button. For the step 3, choose either personal or business, whichever you need. Step 4. Enter your email, then click next. Step 5. Now here's the catch. You need a phone number to continue, but don't worry. Just search temporary phone number on Google. Pick a site like Text Now or Receive SMS. Grab a number from there, paste it in, and boom, you're good to go. Once you enter the number, you can now proceed on the other steps. That's it. Super quick and simple. If this video helped, leave a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.